What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to drink iOS 14.5.1. So it was just released and we're already able to jailbreak using the Checkra1n Jailbreak. So I do want to note this does not support all devices. It only supports the iPhone X and below. So the iPhone X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6S. Basically, you guys can see right here it says for Checkra1n Jailbreak for iOS, iPhone 5s through iPhone X on iOS 12.0 and up, but it does support the latest firmware, which is iOS 14.5.1. So I'm gonna leave all the support devices in the description below because there's just too many devices just to list in one video. So this is a Mac tutorial. If you guys want a Windows where it's a little bit different, I can do that for you guys. Just leave in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to have that sometime this week. So the first thing you guys want to do is head to your Mac right here, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, does not matter. Once you guys are on there, you guys want to head to the Checkra1n website, which I'm like down below in the description. So once you guys click on that link, it should redirect you to right here. And once you guys are here, just click on where it says get beta now, and then download the latest version right here. So just click on download for Mac OS. So it's going to be a DMG file. Just double click that. It's going to open it up right here. And once you guys have opened it up, you want to drag the Checkra1n icon into the application folder. I've already installed it, but I'm going to replace it anyways. And once you have done that, we can now launch the Checkra1n application right here. So I do want to point that for the iPhone X, the iPhone 8, and 8 Plus, you will have to remove your passcode or Face ID if you're on iPhone 5, or if you're on the iPhone X. Fortunately, there's no way to bypass it right now. You have to turn it off at all times, your passcode or Face ID, but it's only for those three devices I mentioned. So the iPhone X, the iPhone 8, and 8 Plus. So it's very important that you guys do that or it will not work. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone 7, 6, you still be able to use your passcode like normal. It's just those three devices that I just mentioned. So we can now open up the program right here, as you guys see. So we can close everything out. And there we go. So what you guys want to do next is plug your device into your computer. So I'm going to be using the iPhone 8. You guys will see that I am on a lower version, but I can confirm that it does work on iOS 14.5.1. So I'm going to plug my device in right now. And it's going to be a couple of seconds here. So once you plug in your device, you want to make sure that you click on the trust button on your device. So if you get any pop-up just like this right here, to trust this computer, make sure you guys allow access. It's very important to do that. If you don't do that, then it will not work. Your device won't be detected at all. So this is going to pop up right here if you're using the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or the iPhone X. You guys will see right here, it says, sorry, iPhone 8 GSM is not supported on iOS 14.2 at this point. So what we want to do is, basically once you connect your device, allow access, click on options right here. So for the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone X, you want to make sure you have this checked right here, where it says skip A11 BPR check. And then also, for all devices that are supported by the Checkra1n Jailbreak, you want to make sure you have the verbose boot. That's just kind of optional. And then where it says allow untested iOS/iPad OS/tvOS versions. So once we have done that, we can go back right here. And if you're on the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone X, you will see right here, it will say it's partially supported. Continue at your own risk. So from here, we can click on start. And then from here, it's going to put your device into DFU mode. So click on next. And you guys are going to see right there, it says entering recovery. So it's going to go recovery first, and then we're going to have to put it manually into DFU mode. So from here, it's going to give you on-screen instructions. So it says click start, and then what you're going to be doing is having to hold the side button, so the power button, and the volume down button 4 seconds. After the 4 seconds are up, you're going to want to let go of the side button, so the power button, and then continue holding onto the volume down button. So I'm going to do that right now. So you guys see I'm holding the volume down, power. So I gotta press start first, so I should probably do that, and then hold it for 4 seconds, and then let go of the side, but continue holding onto the volume down button. So if you do it incorrectly, it's just gonna reboot your device for you, and then you're gonna have to do it again. But you guys can see we've done it successfully, and keep holding down the volume down button. And once you see the Checkra1n logo, all that stuff, then you guys can let go. And once it's booting, we are good to go right there. We see the Checkra1n icon as well as everything else. It's doing the jailbreak. and we are fully jailbroken. So I know in the video you guys can see I'm currently on iOS 14.2, but I can confirm once again it does support iOS 14.5.1, which was just released right here. So once we have done that, we are good to go. We can click on done, and we don't need our computer anymore, so we can unplug our device from our computer. And from here, you guys will see once my device does boot up, we're going to have to install Cydia using the Checkra1n application. So I also want to point out this is a semi-tethered jailbreak, meaning that if your battery dies or if you turn off your phone, the jailbreak will not work. So if you try opening up Cydia after you boot up your device, it's going to crash on you. So to fix that, you have to rerun the jailbreak, so the Checkra1n Jailbreak right here. So plug your device, go through the on-screen instructions again, put in DFU mode, and obviously you'll be good to go. Once our device does boot up, you will go to the next page right here. You're going to see the Checkra1n application right there. So all you want to do is open that up, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, tap on Cydia, and then tap on install. So for me, it says reinstall because I've already done that. And once you have done that, you are fully good to go. You have Cydia fully running right here. You guys see it's not going to crash for me because I just jailbroke using the Checkra1n Jailbreak. So there you guys have it. If you have any comments, questions, leave down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply to you guys. Drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys don't miss a video. And that's basically it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.